Hello everyone, welcome on the demonstration of SetStreamer, my application that I made for the Shock the Web hackathon by Bold.fun. I'm Quinten, I'm working at the Albi team, and I made this application that allows streamers to live stream to accept Lightning donations from their audience and to have an interaction between messages and other types of content that are attached to donations made to live streamer. So this is the application. It's setstreamer.versal.app. It's a Flutter application. You can find a demo here of a game that I streamed using this application from yesterday. Or if you want to try it out, you can go to instructions and then you can use our Albi Rechtest environment. So you can import this LND Hub Rechtest string into the application, and then you can also import another Rechtest account in Albi or in Blue Wallet. And then if you send to this Lightning address, your donation should show up on the stream. But right now I'm going to connect a mainnet LND Hub connection where I'm using our main experimental LND Hub, clnhub.mainnet.getalbi.com. I would not recommend connecting to this LND Hub. It's not the official one supported by Albi. The official one is ln.getalbi.com. But this is our experimental LND Hub, which has this WebSocket support, and it's also backed by C Lightning, by the way. So now we are connected to our LND Hub by WebSocket, and now if there is a payment incoming, it will show up on this web page. We have some options here. We can show the webcam. So if you're sharing your screen on a group call or something, then you will be able to, the people will be able to see your webcam if that's what you want. So you don't need some stream overlay software to overlay your webcam on this page. You can have an option to show the highest donation instead of the latest donation. This can be useful. For example, if you want to sell advertisements to the highest bidder, then only the highest donation will show up on your advertising section. This can also be useful in, for example, live events. If you're doing a live event, you can project this page on the wall or something with a beamer, and then people can pay for their advertisements using an auction, and then the highest advertisement will be shown. You can crowdsource media from your audience. You can auto open links if the payment command contains a hyperlink. This is like quite risky because you never know what you where you'll end up. But if you're feeling like being a bit reckless, you can enable this. Who knows what you might encounter. We have text-to-speech, so you can enable and disable text-to-speech. You can even pick the voice for text-to-speech and the volume. And here you have your Lightning address. I will use Quinten at kwinten.bucket.com for this one. Basically, if you are doing a live stream on YouTube, then the Albi browser extension already picks up the Lightning address from the live stream or video description. So all a person needs to do is click on Albi, fill in the comments, and then the payment will be automatically sent. But in case that they are not using Albi, you can have your Lightning address here in this box. And this is also the LN Pay QR code that you can scan with most Lightning wallets, and it will have the same effect as making a donation with Albi. So right now what I'm going to do is actually opening Albi and sending to Quinten at kwinten.bucket.com. So again, if you're on YouTube, this is already automatically done, but now we can make a comment YouTube you hello YouTube. So that's a new donation from 100 sets. So this is a random GIF that I just like have a collection of random GIFs that are shown. So basically, you can also have your audience sending in GIFs. The one caveat is that it needs to come from a domain which has course enabled. So you can't send arbitrary images. They need to have course. The domain need to have course enabled. But for example, Giphy, you can send GIFs, and then the GIF will be displayed because Giphy is enabling course. Yeah. So basically, you can also set the text, the language. So you can send someone. You can say ich so this can speak any language. So basically, and you can also auto open links, for example. Let's say we want to go to, it needs to start with HTTPS. And then it will auto open the link. So basically that's about it. That's my submission. On my YouTube channel there are a couple of examples of a game that I streamed, Valheim, using this software. So if you're using Streamlabs, you can like overlay, you can like cut out the middle section of the screen or something like that, or cut out the QR codes. So you can overlay it on a game that you're playing or something. Yeah, so that's something that you can do. So basically that's about it. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to try it out, please try it out with our Rechtest accounts. The WebSocket support should come to native Albi accounts quite soon. Also, we need to make some changes to how Lightning addresses work, but expect this kind of functionality to be available in normal Albi wallets very soon. Yeah, so some things that I wasn't able to do, but some more ideas. For example, you can have an LNURL pair info, but not that much wallet supported. So you can show who made the donation if they elect to give this information. You could have like, okay, so for the wallet connection, actually, we could have like a login with Albi and then connect stream with Albi. Then you could even like, for example, Eclair also has WebSocket support, or you can stream your payments from your own node through WebLN. This doesn't exist yet today, but this could be possible in the future. Then a streamer could just one click to start streaming payments instead of having to import some LND connection string. So yeah, that's basically other things that you could do here. So that was about it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this application. And if you want to watch me stream some games, then check out my YouTube channel. Not like and subscribe, but make some donations with Albi, which is also possible on normal YouTube videos, not just